Wah, a lot of water.
Boleh keluar sebelah kanan lagi.
Oh,
tak senyum naik seorang. Ni naik seorang Okey, pegang je. Jangan terjun. Je bawa ni belakang.
yeah.
We are next.
Hi. Okay. Smile. Let's go. Okay, sir, go. Okay, sir, go first. Careful. Okay. Okay, kaki lurus. Tak. Ni seorang. Okay lah. Bye. Bye, sir. Bye. Bye. Hi, sir. My name is Haika. What's your name?
Jared.
Member tu sama dulu. Ayah. Ready ah?
Yeah.
Remember hold tight your camera and your phone ah.
Yeah. Not much water, right?
I don't know, you just try. Alright, so that's all. If you get stuck, stay inside, okay? Don't come out, alright?
Okay.
3, 2, 1, don't forget to smile. Careful, enjoy. Woo-hoo!
Whoa. Whoa. Have to hold on, no? Whoa. Whoa.
Wow. Okay, I see why you need to wear raincoat. Nice view. Quite windy, huh?
Yeah.
It's quite short, huh?
Yeah, actually it's long. We thought it's long but quite short.
Oh, it's like that only
Okey, boleh keluar sebelah kanan. Dan right eh. Faster ya, belakang ada orang ah. Faster.
Oh, it's actually like that only.
Yeah. Not splashed. Yeah. Long wait.
There's no way you can get wet at the bottom. At the top, maybe you can.
So good experience.
I say 7 out of 10. It is thrilling, but but it's too short. I think they can maybe lengthen it a bit. I think I got used to the Penang slide already, so this is very nothing. Penang slide is so much longer.
Yeah.
But overall, I say it's pretty good. Okay, I'll do the talking for mine. Okay, so we are done with the slide experience, the water slide at the ICT. Oh shit, and the iPhone storage full. Alamak. Never mind lah.
So I need to talk to mine lah.
Okay lah. Okay, so done with the latest water slide attraction in ICT, and I say it's pretty good overall. I will rate
And 1 hour,
okay,
1 hour wait.
maybe 8 out of 10.
One
Could
hour
be
wait.
better. There is a thrill factor, but just for a short while. It can be longer. It'd be nicer if it's longer by another minute.
Yeah, lor.
Yeah, I was give 8 because -2, 1 is a long waiting time,
Yeah.
and secondly, I think they can enhance the queuing process in a sense where it's not so hot